How can I remove the top and right axis in matplotlib? Instead of the default box axis style, I want to have only the left and bottom axis, i.e. This should be easy, but I can't find the necessary options in the docs.
This is the suggested matplotlib 3 solution from the official website here.
Alternatively, this seems to achieve the same effect on an axis without losing rotated label support. Matplotlib 1.0.1 solution inspired by this.
Edit, matplotlib in now, 2013-10 on version 1.3.0, which includes this. That ability was actually just added, and you need the Subversion version for it. You can see the example code here. I am just updating to say that there's a better example online now. Still need the Subversion version though, there hasn't been a release with this yet. Edit, matplotlib 0.99.0 RC1 was just released, and includes this capability.
If you need to remove it from all your plots, you can remove spines in style settings, style sheet or params. E.g. if you want to remove all spines.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.